This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Prussian blue acrylic paint. You will need a few key items to begin this exciting process. Gather your pure Prussian blue pigment, an acrylic polymer emulsion, and a small amount of distilled water. Make sure you also have a palette knife, a mixing surface, and protective gloves for safety. This careful preparation ensures you are fully ready for a smooth and satisfying paint creation session. Now, let us prepare the pigment for blending. Place about 2 level teaspoons of dry Prussian blue pigment onto your mixing surface. Carefully add just 5 or 6 drops of distilled water to this pigment. Use your palette knife to thoroughly combine the water and pigment. Aim for a smooth, thick paste without any dry spots or clumps, ensuring proper dispersion for vibrant color later. Next, it is time to introduce the acrylic polymer emulsion, which binds your color. Begin by adding about 1 part of your prepared pigment paste to 2 parts of the acrylic binder. Mix these components slowly and thoroughly using your palette knife. Ensure the pigment is fully enveloped by the binder, creating a homogeneous, rich blue mixture. This step is crucial for the paint's final adhesion and flexibility. Now, fine-tune the consistency of your Prussian blue paint to suit your artistic needs. If the paint feels too thick, add an extra 2 or 3 drops of the acrylic binder, mixing carefully. For a more intense color, gently blend in another small portion of your pigment paste. Continuously test the paint on a scrap surface to ensure it has the desired flow and the perfect, deep blue shade you envision for your artwork.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.